Ever needed to reinstall DaVinci Resolve Studio and suddenly realized you can't find your activation key? You're definitely not alone. A lot of people open the Resolve app hoping there's a way to look it up from inside the software and then discover it's simply not there. So today I'm going to walk you through exactly where your DaVinci Resolve activation key actually is, why it's not visible inside the app, and what options you have if it's gone missing. First, here's the part most people don't know. DaVinci Resolve does not show your activation key once it's been used. The moment you activate the studio version, the software locks that key to your system and hides it for security. So if you're clicking around the menus trying to find it, you won't. It's not a bug, it's simply how Blackmagic designed the licensing system. So where is your key? It all depends on how you bought Resolve. If you purchased online, your activation key was sent to you the day you bought it. That confirmation email from Blackmagic Design or the authorized reseller contains your 20-digit code and sometimes the serial number as well. A lot of people overlook this, but always check your spam, junk, promotions, or archived folders. Those emails love hiding in the wrong place. If you bought the physical box version, the key comes printed on a license card inside the box. That card is your activation key, so make sure you never throw it out. It's small, easy to lose, and unfortunately, it's the only physical proof of your license. Now, what if you can't find the email and the card is gone? Here's the honest truth. And this comes straight from what users have reported on Blackmagic's support forums. Blackmagic typically cannot recover lost activation keys unless the product was registered and you can provide proof of purchase. If you registered Resolve during installation, you may be able to contact support and request help. But if nothing was registered and you have no proof, the key can't be retrieved. So if you do still have access to your key, take a moment to protect it, snap a photo, save it in a secure folder, back it up to the cloud, whatever works for you. You'll need it again if you switch computers, reinstall your operating system, or migrate to a new machine. And that's it. Short, clear, and hopefully a huge headache avoided. If this helped you track down your key or understand where it's stored, feel free to stick around for more quick tutorials that save you time, frustration, and a lot of digging. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.